I've been doing high voltage kits out of my stockpile this week. I've done a mini Tesla, a medium-sized Tesla, compared it against a larger Tesla and against my plasma globe. So it's now time to do this one. It's called a high voltage igniter, and the whole idea is you put in 3 to 5 volts at 3 amps, and you get an arc out on the other end. And it needs about 3 amps to initiate the arc, and I believe it's 2.5 amps to maintain it. Which kind of means that if you're hooking this up to a battery, you're going to need a pretty healthy battery. So let's see here. Not a lot of components on these. Oh, I suspect this is a 2-watt resistor. And a diode, which of course you line up the proper way. Stripe, stripe. And let's see. We have a capacitor. Negative terminal to that side. Now they have it bent so that it can sit in there. There we go. Try to keep everything in focus. And the connector, I'll have to flip this one over. Get rid of a few of the leads. Yeah, solder joints look good. The thing is, these kits that you're getting off of eBay, AliExpress, the circuit boards are actually pretty nice quality. I remember when I was doing this when I was young, and the circuit board quality was wretched. Okay. Oops. And lined it up there. I'm just going to attach it first. And you can fast forward to whatever time I put up there if you don't want to see me soldering. But this is a real quick project. The transistor on here is an NPN. It's a D880. This whole kit cost me $1.59 plus shipping, which was a combined shipping deal in mailbag 21-ish. So the only part left, let's turn this around, keeping myself on the dot. I kind of looked at the other videos out there. This goes down in here. let's just get these out of the way. And the key thing is that you need to clean off the enamel. So once I get this mounted, I will apply lots of heat. We're stripping it. There we go. Come on, get in there. And the fancy connector. Hey, what works, works. Now, I didn't look too close at the listing. If I had actually realized it requires several amps for input, it makes it a bit less practical for a barbecue lighter. Okay, flip it over. I'm going to crank my iron up to 470. And there it goes. Trying not to inhale. I don't have the fan set up right now, and I really should, but it's winter time. And that does not look good, but I'll go to the next one and come back to it. Okay, that looks good. I think that's good. I'll know when I push the button. Okay, let's flip this back over. And they say it's 5 to 8 millimeters, I believe. We'll go for that amount. I'm just going to grab some wire for there. So I've got 5 volts on the bench supply, and it works. The transistor, even in that short period, started to get really warm. And it lights. You could almost light it off of that. Is this worth the money? No, not really. You're going to have to hook it up to a battery that can output almost 3 amps. You could probably buy a lot of matches for that, or a butane lighter. But it does look pretty, and let's just try it against. Nope. Not putting out enough of a field to light up the light bulb. So let's see what this thing does with a neon bulb. Yeah, lights it up quite nicely. But it has to actually come in full contact there. Just off to the side, there's not enough EM field from it. So, yeah, another high voltage project.